Right, you guys, what's up? Yeah, what's up precisely? Oh, what a glorious bloody day it is again. I hope that wind's not too much on this. I'm on my old SE phone at the moment. Just going to take it in a minute. Just let you know exactly where I am. I'm not putting up no videos. You know, I put them up every other day, guys. Every 2 days a video goes up. There's not been one up today. Reason for that, I don't know whether any of you joined my live walkabout around Folkestone. Skye pulled over my tripod, smashed my iPhone. That's why I'm not doing no vlogging, because all my media's on my iPhone. I do everything on my iPhone, guys. Not the first time Skye's done that. Little bugger, where is she? She's down there. Lovely. And also, I'm still working on the alternator, guys. Having major issues. I've got the new alternator fitted. What a pain in the arse that was. Took me about 3-4 hours. If I was in a garage on a ramp with the proper tools, it'd probably take about an hour and a half. But I've got it fitted now. I've got a dead short somewhere, so it's a bleeding nightmare. My phone smashing, fitting a new alternator. Oh, blimey, Rolly. Anyway, I'm waiting for a new iPhone screen to come down in Dumfries. Come on, Stephen, get it together. Down in Folkestone, I've ordered an iPhone from Amazon screen from Amazon. It should be arriving in Folkestone today. I'll get that fitted and we'll get rocking and rolling with the videos again. Sorry guys, it's going to be a couple of days before I get another one up. We'll be back rocking and rolling. That wind's not too much. I should have put in my remote mic. So I'm on my old iPhone SE. I can't do a lot on this, guys. It's a little crappy phone, but at least in emergencies it gets me through and keeps me in communication. So I'll get this quick upload done, just to let you know what's up, where I am, what I'm doing. Fucking nightmare fitting that alternator, guys. I've been under that van for about 5 bleeding hours, trying to lift a heavy alternator into position. Oh, it took me bleeding ages. And once I got it all fitted, there was a dead short. The live wire was just sparking out all the time, so I'm trying to trace that now, going through all the wires. Oh, what a fucking nightmare. Anyway, it's beautiful here in Folkestone, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Still enjoying it. I'm completely stressed out. I'll be back with you guys as soon as I can. Thanks for joining in on the live walkabout around Folkestone on Wednesday. That was bloody awesome. Had some lovely contributions. I will be thanking every single person on my community page personally, so thank you guys for that. And we'll start rocking the rolling the live shows every Sunday, hopefully. Once we get Christine sorted, because I need that alternator when there's no sun, guys. I really do in the winter, so I've got to get that sorted. If not, I'll have to go to a bloody garage, bite the bullet and get them to assess what's going on. But hopefully I'll get there. Cole's helping me out as well, my mate, on the phone. The sun's boiling. Blimey, it's nearly October and the sun is boiling. Is it October or November? I don't know where I am. Anyway, catch you later, guys. That's an update. Big hugs, big thanks. Give us a like, give us a share, give us a comment, all the lovely stuff. And again, thank you for all the heart comments and contributions. Buy me a coffee. Oh, I'm gonna need 3 days sleep after all this hassle, guys. Catch you later. Have a good one.